Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the GBoard voice dictation not working issue in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon. Now tap on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile, and after restarting the microphone will start working properly and it will help you to fix the GBoard voice dictation not working issue. So after restarting, if you are still facing the problem, then make sure the microphone is not covered. So if the microphone is covered with your phone case or anything else, then remove your phone case and clean your microphone from the bottom, and then the microphone and GBoard voice dictation will start working properly. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings. Scroll down and here click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings and then again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings but it will not delete any data from your mobile. And after doing this, the GBoard voice dictation will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.